What's up, YouTube? This is BXBomber718 back at you with another video unboxing. And today I have the Lenovo Legion 15.6-inch Recon gaming backpack. That's right. So I needed to purchase a backpack to go along with the Lenovo Legion 5 laptop and accessories that I recently purchased. I seen this online on the Lenovo website, but it was retailing for its manufacturer suggested retail price for $59.99. Scoured the web to see if I could find it cheaper. I found it on Walmart through the Walmart marketplace for $29.99, which is about $30 cheaper than when I found it on Lenovo. And I ordered it and I received it today, right? So with tax, it came out to like $31 and something cents. But it was a great deal. It was actually a steal because right now, currently on Lenovo's website, they do have it on sale for like $34. But if you add tax and shipping, it'll come out to more than what I paid for it getting it through Walmart. But getting this for $29.99 is a steal. This is an excellent backpack. All right, let me go ahead and show you some of the stuff that come with it. This is the card that comes with it. Lenovo Legion 15.6-inch Recon gaming backpack. All right, it's your Lenovo logo right there. On the back, you have your Legion symbol, which is pretty dope. All right, and when you open it up, you get some details about the backpack. Dedicated compartment, carries laptops up to 15.6 inches, water resistant. Front panel ensures your equipment stays dry. Easy access storage for all gaming accessories, and outside water bottle pocket. It says breathable back padding and contoured padded shoulder straps deliver comfort on the go. Easily attaches to luggage cart to make travel a breeze, and rugged base prevents bottom wear and tear. All right, there it is right there. Okay. Another thing that they did not mention that I think I noticed here is this reflective strip down here at the bottom. So if you're walking at night and there's some cars around, light reflects off so that way they can notice you as you're walking. This is the front shell that they're talking about here that's water resistant. As you can see, it's the Lenovo Legion logo right there. Here on the sides, you have these Lenovo Legion buttons. Let me bring it forward so you can see it, which is a nice little touch. Okay. On the sides, here's your water bottle pockets. You can put water bottle or snacks, and it's on both sides, which I respect. It has one compartment here. The second compartment is right here, and the third one is all the way in the back for the backpack. So there's three compartments, separate compartments, and one separate for the laptop, which I really thoroughly like a lot. You have a top padded handle here with the Lenovo logo right there on the right. Okay, on the back you have your two padded straps. Okay, right here you have this breathable mesh padded section right here. Here's your luggage strap right here. You can just slip right on to your luggage bag. Okay, and here's what the zippers look like, the black zippers. There are 3 sets of them. It has the Lenovo Legion logo on them. There's 3 sets of them for each compartment. All right, and that's everything for the outside. This is what the bottom looks like. This is what they talk about, protects from wear and tear over time from putting the bag down on concrete or whatever else over time. All right, it feels like it has a good enough of cushion there as well. All right, so we're gonna start first with the back compartment. So you unzip this way, unzip that way, and here is your laptop compartment. As you can see, everything is labeled so you know where everything goes, which is truly phenomenal. I really like that. There's some other backpacks I've had, like some MSIs and some others, Asus, that do have these, but this has it everywhere, okay? And this you can zip up, okay? All right, then we're gonna go to our middle compartment, which is the biggest compartment. I'll have you peer inside. All right, so you have a section right here for your headphones. You have a section right here that you can put some accessories. It's like a little sleeve. You can put accessories right here. Down here, you drop your headphones in, and then you have this part to put on your headphones. If we turn it around, let's see if I can show it. All right, this right here is for your mouse. This right here is for your phone. I don't know if I can get in there. Let me take the camera off. Let's see. All right. If you can see down there, I'm trying to get in the light. You have a compartment right here. It's showing the battery. You have a compartment right here. This is for your AC adapter. Then you have some depth right here that you can put other things such as your mouse pad rolled up, etc. All right, and it has a lot of ample space in there, which I really do like. Okay. All right, and then our last compartment here on the outside. Open it up. Now I gotta do this with one hand so you can see it. All right, it opens up, and you have a slot here. You can put some pens. You can have one slot here, one slot there. You can drop other items in there. And then you have some more space down here that you can put anything else in there, like a battery pack or power bank or something like that. All right. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you these items over here, right? And I'm going to put everything in here. And again, this is very lightweight, which I do really like, as some gaming backpacks can be extremely heavy. This one is very lightweight. I'm not 100% sure what the weight is on there, but it feels very light. Okay, I definitely can attest to that. And the fact that it goes with the Lenovo Legion branding, I think is pretty slick. But I'm gonna show you me putting all these items in here and what it looks like when it's fully packed. All right, as you just saw, I went ahead and packed everything in there. So let me go ahead and give you a peek so you can see everything that's in there. All right, starting here at the top, which I showed you guys earlier. All right, so here you have the headset in here. All right, over here, we have the mouse in here. Down here, if you can even see it, down there, we have the power supply, power adapter down there. All the way down there at the bottom, you can barely see it, but is the rolled up mouse pad, all right? Zip that up. This compartment here, there's nothing in this one yet, but I will be filling it with miscellaneous stuff, pens and other miscellaneous stuff, all right? And in the very back, we have the laptop sitting there nicely in a nice protective sleeve. All right, so that's everything packed up and ready to go. All right, so this was the Lenovo Legion 15.6-inch Recon gaming backpack that I purchased for my Lenovo Legion 5. It has all the compartments that I need, great labeling, very lightweight, padded cushioned straps, has a top handle, a bottom panel for wear and tear, a reflective strip at the bottom. It has two sports bottle holders on either side, and it has the Lenovo Legion branding all over it, from the zippers to the actual logo that comes right here vertically. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure that you leave a comment, like, subscribe, and share the video. Peace.